We could start our own helicopter business. I'll be co-captain. My helicopter will be faster. I'm already halfway across the city. I'm back. Wait, no, I left again, sorry. Darn, I wish my helicopter was as fast as yours. How can I make mine better? You could replace the propellers with hammers. That way we can call it hammer time. I swear to God, Evil, if you play the incorrect buzzer sound effect, I'm gonna lose it. srch/www.youtube.com/watch?viv =sign-dvd 1 day by all you need is love _aviewer. What kind of copter would you like to have?